Hi everyone, my name is Sayblee. I am the inventor of this vegan hair growth product.
Where are you from?
I am from Liberia, West Africa.
Liberia is an African nation in West Africa, bordered by Sierra Leone, Guinea, and the Ivory Coast / Cote d'Ivoire. With a population of over 4.5 million people, the cities of Liberia are considered to be some of the cleanest in all of Africa.
But I live here in Miami, Florida, and my business is here in Hollywood, the Yellow Green Farmers Market. My booth number is 293. You can come here anytime. This vegan hair product is designed to keep your hair healthy. Whether you're on medication, whether your hair is shedding, it will stop your hair shedding. It will make your hair grow even if you have total hair loss. You're looking for something clean for your hair, no chemical. Let us keep your hair healthy with safe plant-based product.
Introduce us to some of your products.
So here is the actual hair growth treatment that actually makes the hair to grow. So this here is the 4-ounce jar. Actually use this treatment once a week, or you can use it every other week or once a month. The application is easy. You just don't have to use it all the time or every day. And then we have the shampoo, the lime nourishing shampoo for those that have like the hair dry and they're really looking for product to make their hair moist. Even though they want their hair clean, they don't want the product to dry their hair. This would be a very good shampoo for them. It detangles the hair in the process. Have the condition that infuse intense moisture, so it also detangles the hair. And then we have the lime nourishing oil. This is a lot of people's favorite. If you're looking to even flat iron your hair, or if you have locks and you want to keep your scalp clean, fresh, and shiny all the time, and healthy at the same time, the lime nourishing oil is fantastic. And then we have the leave-in conditioner here, which is infused with a lot of vitamin D. Sometimes when you lack vitamin D, your hair tends to break easily, sheds a lot. So this product is designed to actually infuse the vitamin D that is designed to strengthen your hair, and to infuse that in your hair. We have the rosemary oil, fantastic for to keep your scalp soothed if you have dandruff or you have itchy scalp and you want your scalp to stay soothing and not irritated constantly. The rosemary oil is fantastic. This little pot here reminds me of when I used to actually match all the product up with my hands before I make them. So I have this little pot just to remind me of my humble beginning.
What's going on with these bald-headed people?
So this right here was one of my defining movement in my humble beginning in my salon. I personally, I'm a cosmetology and also a trichologist. And a trichologist is a person who is the hair and scalp scientist. I used to have a salon and a treatment center. And of course, I'm not a photographer, so I was trying to keep record of the clients. And this guy here, that was his hair back then. And we started to put the treatment on his hair every 2 weeks. And then it started to grow his hair. Like you can see here, this is all his hair. Here, he stops here, and we didn't see him again. He had other personal circumstances. This also, she was using a treatment at that time, every 2 weeks. Not much application. You don't have to use it every single day. And this is her result. They used to come to my salon. But also you have to know that you don't have to come to a treatment center to get it done. You can actually do it for yourself at home, which I recommend the most. So I'm here at my booth, the Yellow Green Farmers Market, booth 293. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.